Animation. While transition effects are applied to the whole slide, animation effects are applied to specific objects on a slide such as an image, a table, a text box, etc. The animation makes the selected object appear on the slide with an effect such as fly in, leave the slide with an effect such as fly out, or change its appearance on the slide with some effect such as fill color. Animations are categorized into the following. Entrance. These are the animation effects with which an object appears on the slide. These effects are useful when you need to show the content when you want. Emphasis. These effects make the object change its appearance while staying on the slide. These effects are useful when you want to bring the attention of the audience to a specific object. Exit. The object leaves the slide with this effect. These effects are useful when you need to show that a point of discussion or the content is over. Motion paths. These are the interesting animation effects that allow defining a path between a start and an end point along which the object moves. This is useful when you want your audience to follow a particular motion on the screen to understand an idea or concept. 3D. These animation effects are applied to the 3D models inserted on the slide. These are useful to enhance the impact of already animated 3D objects. Applying animation to an object. Select the desired object, image, text box, table, etc. Then do the following. Go to the Animations tab, Animation Group, More drop-down arrow. Select the desired animation effect from any of the categories: entrance, emphasis, exit, or motion path, or more from the bottom. You can select additional options for a selected animation effect in the Effect Options drop-down in the Animation group. Use these options to display all the available effects. Office 2021. All options are same as in MS Office 2019. Adding multiple animations to an object. If there is an object which has already an animation effect applied, then more animation effects can be applied to it. To do so, select the desired object and in the Advanced Animation group under the Animations tab, click the Add Animation drop-down. Select the desired effect from the drop-down list. Controlling multiple animations. By default, animations run in a sequence on mouse click. Sometimes we need to run two adjacent animations simultaneously or one after another. To do so, first open the animation pane, then follow these steps. In the animation pane, click the drop-down arrow on the right side of the animation and select the Start with Previous option to run this animation along with the animation before it, or the Start After Previous option to run this animation after the previous animation finishes. Note: the options Start with Previous and Start After Previous are available in the Start drop-down in the Timing group under the Animations tab. Adding a triggered animation. When an object is animated by clicking another object, then the clicked object is called the trigger for the animation. To select a trigger for animation, first select the object which has an animation applied already, then do the following. Animations tab, Advanced Animation group, Trigger drop-down. Select the desired object to be the trigger. Now, the animation will occur when the trigger object will be clicked. Note: while running the slideshow, a trigger object is identified when the mouse pointer on it turns into a hand icon. Copying animation of one object to another. Animation effects applied to an object can be applied to another object by following steps. First, select the object whose animation effects are needed to be copied. Then, go to the Animations tab, Advanced Animation group. Click the Animation Painter button. Click on the object on which effects are to be copied. Removing an animation. Select the tiny box beside the object showing the animation sequence number and press the Delete key on the keyboard.